Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you a brief instructions on how does a Discover Plus works. Now, Discover Plus is a streaming services that offers a wide range of content from Discover Inc. portfolio of network, including Discovery Channel, HGTV, Food Network, at TLC, Animal Planet, and many other. Now, here's how Discover Plus works. First of all, Discover Plus only operates on a subscription-based model. Users sign up for a monthly or annual subscription to access the content library. You could also go ahead and install the application, or you can also use a web browser. In my case, I'm just gonna use a web browser just for the instruction purpose. And when you open up the link, that is www.discoverplus.com, it's going to take you to this sort of page. So when you go ahead and press on the sign up button, it's going to ask you to go ahead and select the plan for your subscription, be it monthly, yearly, or what sort of thing. Now, Discover Plus provides subscribers with access to thousands of hours of content, including TV show, documentaries, specials, and exclusive origins from various discovered network as well. And likewise, subscription can stream content on demand, meaning they can choose what they want to watch and when they want to watch it. This allows for a flexible viewing option to fit individual preferences and schedule. Now, Discover Plus offers content across a wide range of genres, including lifestyle, home improvement, cooking, natural science, true crime, and more. Users can explore different categories and discover content held to their interests as well. Likewise, the platform also utilizes algorithm to provide personalized recommendation based on the user's viewing history, preferences, and interactions as well. And some content on Discovery Plus is available for download, allowing subscribers to watch offline without any internet connections. Now, this feature is useful for users who want to watch content during travel or an area with limited connectivity. And the content library on Discover Plus is regularly updated with new episode and special, ensuring there's always fresh content for subscribers to explore. Now, overall, Discover Plus offers a convenient and comprehensive streaming services, providing subscribers with access to a vast array of engaging and entertaining content from Discover extensive portfolios of network. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.